My name's Sean and I'm an urgent care assistant for St John Ambulance Wales. I've been involved with St John's for about 23 years as a volunteer, started off with Badger up to cadets and then rolled into it as a permanent job as well.
So my name's Sean, I'm an urgent care attendant for St John Ambulance Cymru. So I volunteered for St John for a number of years, but normally I'm a medical student at Cardiff University and I volunteer and work for St John part-time around my studies. Obviously studies are all postponed at the moment, so I'm filling in with St John to help out as much as I can. It was only really when I got to the ward in Llandock about an hour ago that they told us that this was the first patient coming down here. It just felt like a normal transfer to me. So the ambulance gets deep cleaned after every patient who we transport who has COVID.
It's been an honour to bring the first patient in. It's quite an honour just to be a part of it, even though it's in a dark age at the moment with everything that's going on, but it is quite nice to actually be able to move patients in so they can recover and hopefully be released and back into their home environments with their family.